You turn on your Vizio TV. You pick HDMI 1, like always, and boom! It says no signal. In this video, I'll walk you through simple, step-by-step fixes you can try right now to get your picture back. Step 1. Select the right input first. Grab your Vizio remote. Press the Input or Source button. Slowly cycle through all inputs: HDMI 1, HDMI 2, HDMI 3, and so on. Stop on the one where your device is actually plugged in. Many no signal issues are just the TV sitting on the wrong input. Vizio themselves recommend cycling through inputs to find the active one. If you're not sure which HDMI port your device is in, quickly check the back or side of the TV. Match the printed label, like HDMI 1 or HDMI 2, with what you pick on the screen. Step 2. Check the HDMI cable and ports. Now check the physical connection. Unplug the HDMI cable from both the TV and the device. Look closely at the cable. Check for bends, cuts, or a loose metal tip. Even light damage can break the signal. Plug it back in firmly until it feels seated on both ends. If you have another HDMI cable at home, swap it in as a test. Step 3. Power cycle the TV. If the cable and port look fine, do a power cycle. This refreshes the HDMI handshake between devices. Turn off your TV and the connected device. Unplug both from power at the wall. Wait at least 30 to 60 seconds. Then plug the source back in and power it on. After that, plug the TV back in and turn it on. Step 4. Adjust settings and update firmware. On your Vizio remote, press Menu. Go to System, then look for Check for Updates or Firmware Update. Make sure your TV is connected to the internet first. Updating the firmware can fix HDMI bugs and no signal issues reported on some models. While you're in the menu, confirm that CEC or input settings aren't blocking the signal. Step 5. Factory reset the TV. If nothing has worked yet, try a soft reset first. Turn the TV on. Press and hold the power button on the TV itself for about 10 to 15 seconds. This can clear minor system glitches without wiping your apps. If the problem still remains, go back to Menu, go to System, then to Reset and Admin, and look for Reset TV to Factory Defaults. This is a last resort step that returns everything to factory settings and often resolves stubborn HDMI recognition issues. If none of the mentioned methods worked, then a damaged HDMI port or a failing mainboard inside the TV can prevent HDMI 1 from receiving any signal at all. This doesn't always affect the other HDMI ports, which is why testing multiple ports is important. At this point, it's a good idea to contact Vizio support or a professional repair technician.